Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a hot oil treatment for long, healthy, shiny hair. Olive oil promotes hair growth, strengthens the hair shaft, and reduces hair breakage. Avocado oil easily absorbs into the hair shaft and nourishes the hair with fatty acids. Castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp, thickens the hair, and fights hair loss. Rosehip oil repairs hair damage and has anti-inflammatory properties. Apricot oil reduces excess dryness of scalp and promotes hair growth. Peppermint oil promotes blood flow to the scalp, increases hair thickness, promotes healthy hair and scalp. For this hair oil treatment, I did not use exact measurements. I just use measurements based upon what my hair needs and how much I'll be applying to my hair. The rest of it I will store up and put away for future use. In order to heat up our oil, we will be using the double boiler method. The double boiler method helps the oil to retain all its benefits and nutrients. We do not want to cook the oil, but to essentially warm it up so that our hair can receive the maximum benefits that they have to offer. After we bring our hot oil treatment to a boil, it is time to turn off the flame and set it aside to cool down just a bit so that we can safely apply it to our hair and scalp. We will be putting our hot oil treatment into a applicator bottle, which can be found at your local beauty supply store for a couple of dollars. I will be putting a funnel on top of the opening of the applicator bottle so that none of the oil falls out while pouring it in. And this is what the bottle looks like after all of the oil has been put into it. Now it's time to apply our hot oil hair treatment. In addition to the hot oil hair treatment, I'll be using a wide tooth comb to aid in the detangling process. I will be applying this hot oil hair treatment to freshly washed hair. My hair has already been pre-sectioned, which makes this process much easier. You want to apply the hot oil treatment from the roots of your hair to the very ends, which is the driest part of your hair. You want to finger detangle after first applying the hot oil hair treatment to each section to ensure that the oil is getting onto each strand of your hair. Then I like to follow up with the wide tooth comb to further ensure that the hot oil hair treatment is fully coating every single strand of each section of my hair. After I'm done with each section, I am going to twist it back up and put it into bantu knots to get them out of the way. When I get to the very ends of my hair, I like to put just a little bit more oil on it to make sure that this part is getting the oil, as this is the oldest part of your hair and this is the part of your hair that makes sure that you retain length over time. After I'm done applying the hot oil hair treatment to all the sections of my hair, I am going to put a plastic cap on my hair and do a hooded dryer method using my blow dryer, my Revlon 1875, and I'm also going to be using a Curl Formers hooded dryer to make sure that this hot oil hair treatment penetrates my hair even further. I'm going to be using the low setting on my blow dryer when doing this portion of my hot oil hair treatment. If this video was useful for you, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of more videos to come in the future.